Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Alam niyo mga boss, tuwing sasapit ang Pasko, ito po ay panahon ng pagbibigayan at pagmamahalan at tradisyon na dito sa atin na magbigay ng regalo sa mga kabataan. Pero paano naman kung baliktad at sila naman ang magbigay ng regalo? Yan po ang mensahe ng bagong PTV Christmas Station ID. Ito po ang maging regalo ngayong Pasko. To learn more about this, makakasama natin this morning our very special guests. We have Dennis Van Gorospe, composer-singer, Easy Torrecarion, composer-singer, Jem Torrecarion, singer, and Pearl Gonzalez, singer. Hi guys! Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Hello. Good morning.
Alright, to start off, can you give us a short introduction about yourself, starting with you?
Ako po si Dennis Van Grospe. Ako ay teacher po sa Claret. Yun po.
Hi, I'm Easy. I'm a freelance composer and instrumentalist.
I'm Jem po. I'm working for a local construction company and also a world-renowned insurance company as well.
Hi, I'm Pearl. Nag-work po ako sa isang telecommunications company and choir member po.
Alright, so pag-usapan natin itong bagong PTV Christmas Station ID. Ito yung maging regalo ngayong Pasko. So kayo yung nag-compose.
That's right.
Yes.
Alright, so pag-usapan natin, bakit ito yung napili nating concept or ano naging inspirasyon natin behind this?
Well, first of all, we were invited to create a Christmas ID nga po. And then, I personally believed with the station ID's concept and parang mission and vision. And then it just kind of touched me because with what's happening right now, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, nothing can replace a person's personal parang gift niya, yung sarili niya, no? Walang kahit anong material, gadget, o kahit ano pa. So parang when we learned about their concept, that's when we started composing the song.
Alright, so let's talk about the preparation. Gaano katagal kayo nag-prepare for this? Ano ba yung mga nag-research ba tayo? Paano yung preparations natin?
Actually, days lang po yung
Wow.
preparation. Kasi actually, nung binigay sa amin yung concept, yun, ang hinarap ko na yung computer, naggumawa na ako ng score for a cappella. Kasi iba po talaga, ang concept po talaga namin sa na-a-cappella song. So, nag-notate, kailangan mag-compose, sinadjust, pinakita ko kay Ate Easy, and then revise. Kailangan mahabol yung deadline actually. Pero nung una namin pinasa, pina-revise uli sa amin. So, kumbaga parang ganun, kailangan na mabilis kasi may deadline na binigay po sa amin.
And of course, I'm sure marami na rin kayong mga kantang ginawa at kinanta. So, ano ba yung kakaiba dito sa ginawa natin na project for PTV? How about?
Ako muna. Sige.
Siguro po yung pinaka-unique about this station ID na kinompose po namin is it really speaks about Christmas kasi it's the first time po na we had a concept to compose a song for Christmas. Kasi sila, Kuya Dennis po, tsaka si Ate Easy, they were born composers talaga. So kami po, we were born singers lang siguro. And then usually ginagawa nilang kanta is for like showing the emotional side of them, parang ganun. Pero this time, we decided that siguro to compose a Christmas song that would really, again, bring the message that may ate said, na parang to be the gift this Christmas. You be the gift this Christmas. Parang ganun.
Alright, speaking of you be the gift this Christmas, maging regalo ngayong Pasko, ito po ang tema ng bagong PTV Christmas Station ID. How about you, Pearl? Paano ka magiging regalo ngayong Pasko? Since ang PTV, iaalay nila ang kanilang sarili ngayong Pasko. Ikaw, ano ang regalo mo ngayong Pasko?
Siguro yung maglingkod sa simbahan through singing at makatulong sa ibang tao. Kasi, di ba, yun nga, katulad nung tema nung kanta, maging regalo ngayong Pasko, kasi kami po ay isang church choir member din po kami actually. And lahat po ng time namin and effort, inaalay po namin sa Diyos. Yun po.
Napakaganda naman yan. Pero syempre, hindi matatapos kayong umaga kung hindi namin kayo maririnig. So, magbibigay kayo ng sample sa ating mga boss ngayong umaga.
Siguro yun. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maging regalo ngayong Pasko.
Yun na yun.
Gusto ba buo po?
Buo?
Gusto ko yung buo.
Gusto naman yung buo. Nabitay
Okay,
kami doon.
sige,
Okay.
sige.
Kahit konti lang.
ngayong Pasko. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Yay! Thank you so much! Ang gagaling naman. Ayan. Pero before we end our interview, do you have any message to our viewers? Bilang panghuli na lang.
Well, we would like to invite everyone to not only just spend your money to your loved ones, but spend time. Again, it's what matters most is during Christmas and every day is the love for family and friends.
Alright, thank you so much for joining. At ito po sina Dennis Van Gorospe, Easy Toricorion, Jem Toricorion, at Pearl Gonzalez. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.